When integrating code, we had to make some of the features which were not previously commands follow the command interface so they could be undone and redone, such as clearing the screen. This resulted in a fully functional single-person product.
We used TCP to make sure everyone got what they needed. Everything was sent as raw data and relayed by the server to any number of users, and each client decoded the data to a command.
In order to have everyone connect, we made a GUI allowing the user to import port, IP, and username. We also integrated past features. Nuclear allowed us to make a slick, dark mode GUI that was easy on the eyes and functional. Finally, we integrated our additional feature, a chat. Users who inputted a name were tagged. Everyone could see who the message was from. We followed the structure of our other networked code, allowing us to reuse and take advantage of an already existing feature to make a robust and effective chat. Several bugs in Nuclear were worked around to create a natural experience.
General testing is focused on the functionality of commands, and we have a few commands with undo and redo for each. Catch 2 allowed us to do this in an efficient and elegant manner.
The most important thing for the network is that the data is sent to the server and every client receives a copy, so this is what the tests focus on. We make sure that everyone gets all the data, and if a new client connects, they get what they need. The important thing for chat is that the data received gets processed correctly, turned from raw data into a viewable chat message, so that is what we focused on while testing.
Integrating with GitHub Actions proved difficult. We tried to do it early on before the lab, which introduced the topic, and we ran into issues with the headless nature of the GitHub Actions servers. In order to get around this, we refactored our code so that it didn't require the GUI to display, decoupling the modeling controllers from the view. We created new interfaces such as Appable to allow this decoupling.
Of course, we could always improve our product, including adding more functionality related to brush size and type. We could also allow the canvas to be bigger, be resized, and be panned around. This would allow users to create larger collaborative works than we currently allow, and saving them would allow this to span multiple sessions.
We followed the command interface for chats because the ability to undo a chat might be an important feature for users. However, in V1, we believe that a permanent chat was best. This could be a future feature to add.
We believe that this is an operational V1 that could be used to collaborate on drawings and share information with your colleagues around the world.
Sorry, we ran out.